I stopped memorizing long vocabulary lists, and surprisingly, I learned over 1,000 English words much faster. Here's the method that changed everything. Welcome to Fluent Speak Lab. Today is day 13 of your English speaking journey. Let's discover how learning English vocabulary naturally can help you speak more confidently than memorizing endless word lists. When I first started learning English, I believed vocabulary meant memorization. Every day I opened a notebook. I wrote 20 new words. I repeated them again and again. The next morning I forgot most of them. It was frustrating. I worked hard, but I wasn't making real progress. Now say, I learn naturally. Good. Again, I learn naturally. Excellent. One day my teacher looked at my notebook and smiled. He asked, "Can you use these words in a real conversation?" I stayed silent. I knew the meanings, but I couldn't use them. Then he gave me one piece of advice. Don't collect words. Collect situations. At first, I didn't understand, but the next day I decided to try his method. Instead of memorizing random vocabulary, I learned words from my daily life. When I woke up, I learned words like alarm, pillow, blanket, brush, mirror. Then I made simple sentences. My alarm rang at 6. I folded my blanket. I looked in the mirror. Now say, I learned words and sentences. Very good. During breakfast, I learned words like plate, spoon, coffee, bread, breakfast. Again, I used every word in a sentence. Not once, but several times throughout the day. Slowly, those words became part of my memory, not because I memorized them, but because I used them. Now say, I use new words every day. Excellent. After 1 week, I noticed something surprising. I remembered more vocabulary than ever before, without forcing myself, without long vocabulary lists, without stress. I finally understood that words stay in your mind when they become part of your life, not when they stay on a page. And that simple discovery completely changed the way I learned English. After changing my learning method, everything became easier. I stopped asking, how many words should I memorize today? Instead, I asked, how many words can I use today? That one question changed my mindset. Now say, I use words, not just memorize them. Good. Again, I use words, not just memorize them. Excellent. Every day I chose one simple topic. One day it was my kitchen. Another day it was my office. The next day it was the supermarket. I looked around and named everything in English. Then I created short sentences. This refrigerator is full. I need a clean glass. The vegetables look fresh. Simple sentences helped me remember every new word naturally. Now say, every object teaches me English. Very good. I also started carrying a small notebook. Whenever I heard a useful word in a movie, podcast, or conversation, I wrote it down. But I didn't stop there. I immediately made 3 different sentences using that word. For example, I learned the word comfortable. This chair is comfortable. I feel comfortable speaking English. I want a comfortable place to study. By using the word in different situations, it became part of my vocabulary. Now say, I practice every new word. Excellent. A few weeks later, I noticed another big change. While speaking, words came into my mind more quickly. I didn't have to search for them. I didn't have to translate them. They appeared naturally because I had used them many times. Now say, words come naturally to me. Good. That was the secret I had been looking for. Vocabulary isn't built by reading long lists. It's built by living with the language every day, every conversation, every sentence. Every small moment becomes an opportunity to learn. And before I realized it, my vocabulary had grown far beyond anything I had memorized before. A few months later, I opened my old vocabulary notebook. It was full of long word lists. Many of those words looked familiar, but I couldn't remember all of them. Then I looked at the words I had learned through daily life. I remembered almost every one, not because I had memorized them, but because I had lived with them. Now say, I learned by using English. Good. Again, I learned by using English. Excellent. One afternoon, I met an English-speaking traveler at a train station. We started talking about travel, food, and daily life. As the conversation continued, I noticed something exciting. The words came naturally. I didn't stop to think. I didn't search my memory. The vocabulary simply appeared because I had used those words again and again. Now say, my vocabulary grows every day. Very good. That moment taught me an important lesson. You don't need to know every English word. You need to know the right words for your everyday life. Learn the words you actually use. Repeat them in real conversations. Use them in different situations. That's how vocabulary becomes permanent. Now say, I use English in real life. Excellent. From that day forward, I stopped chasing difficult vocabulary. Instead, I mastered simple, useful English. My conversations became smoother. My confidence became stronger. And learning English became enjoyable instead of stressful. Now say, English is easy when I practice. Good. If you're watching this today, don't spend all your time memorizing long vocabulary lists. Choose 10 useful words. Use each word in several sentences. Speak them out loud. Use them tomorrow. Use them next week. When words become part of your daily life, they become part of your memory. Now say, I practice. I improve. I succeed. Excellent. Today is day 13. You've learned one of the most powerful vocabulary secrets. Keep speaking. Keep using new words. Keep believing in yourself. One conversation at a time, you're becoming the confident English speaker you've always wanted to be. Congratulations on completing day 13. Remember, don't collect vocabulary, use vocabulary. The more you use English in real life, the faster you'll remember it naturally. Practice every day. Stay consistent. Trust your progress. If today's lesson helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Speak Lab. Share this lesson with someone who wants to grow their English vocabulary naturally. I'll see you in day 14. Keep speaking, keep learning, and never stop growing.